Hi learners, welcome to the area of concept mathematics. So we have been talking about the concept mathematics. So in learning the mathematics, the concept is very important. So for example, in the primary stage, the learners become very proficient with almost all the arithmetic process. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division for simple numbers. But actually what happens, most of the learners, they come with proficient with the process rather than the concept. That makes it a little difficult for them in the higher level when they go for that. But that makes the learners to think and feel the mathematics is a little dry subject as they are focusing on the process alone, because blindly they are focusing that. So let's see how in addition the concept can be taught to the learners. Okay, let's follow this. Now this video we will see what is the concept behind the addition in simple numbers. Okay, suppose you see in addition we see normally if it is to be added for the number say 241, if it is to be added with another number say 53, then how do we do normally? It's a very simple process. We always learn that this 241 and the number 53 is written in the order. Then we add that this goes with 4, 1 plus 3, and 4 plus 5 it is 9, and this one is 2. So we get 294. But when we see what is the concept here, and most of the time we wonder, the concept is not known. But the process is very clear. That makes. Then actually how the concept, what's the concept behind this? Let's see the concept behind this. So we see that the 241, when we see this, 241 goes with 200 and this 200 plus 40 plus 1. Then when we see this, it is 53. 53 is 5 tenths, that is 50, plus 3. This is a combination of the numbers. Then while adding, how we do that? So while adding this 241, we do this 200 plus 40 plus 1. And the 53 is written 5 tenths plus 3 ones. We add this. So normally, once we add, so 3 ones and 1, so 4 ones. Then the tens we add, if you go for that, we get the 9 tens. Then if you go for that, the hundreds, only 2 hundreds. So what we get here, combining this all, we get the number is 294. And this concept, the learning this concept of addition, it makes the addition concept very concrete. And also it's going to do a lot of impact in addition. In mental arithmetic, it's going to play a very important role. As we see most of the competitive examinations, the addition becomes very easy. And just because of this, just because of learning this kind of concept, the students in board examinations, they are going to save a lot of time and they are not going to make mistakes in arithmetic, anything. That is how it's going to save time, how it's going to help the learners in the competitive examinations. All that we'll see in some other videos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel and keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you.